4.3, rounding and estimating with decimal numbers. We know what a decimal is. We've defined it a million times. Whole number. Is this a whole number?
No.
Why?
It has a decimal part.
Is this a whole number?
No.
Why?
Because it has a fraction part.
Is this a whole number?
Yes.
Why?
It
It doesn't have a fraction or a decimal. Perfect. Okay, we round, or we can estimate by using different strategies. One of our strategies is by using what?
rounding.
Another strategy is by using, and then you are always using your knowledge of numbers to do all of this work. Rounding rules. I will not go through rounding rules. You know how to round. You've been rounding since the beginning of the school year. You are rounding today when you're doing your wake up. When I asked you to round to the nearest whole number, what place value are you always rounding to? You're always rounding to the ones place. You're going to be asked to estimate. When you estimate, you do it in your brain. 16 and 31 hundredths, 9 and 95 hundredths. I don't care what the actual answer is if I'm asking you for an estimate. What is 16 and 31 hundredths close to?
16.
What is 9 and 95 hundredths close to?
10.
Do you guys know what these symbols mean? What do they mean? About, approximately. Is 16 minus 10 easier to do than 16 and 31 hundredths minus 9 and 95 hundredths?
Yes.
This one, 6 and 41 hundredths minus 6 and 19 hundredths. If you round both of these to the whole number, it's 6 and 6. Can you in your brain subtract 6 and 4 tenths and 6 and 2 tenths by rounding to the nearest tenth? Yes or no? I think you probably can. I think you probably have a better chance of getting this answer right, or this problem right, if you come up with 2 tenths. 0, no value, doesn't really tell us much of anything. Are there different ways to estimate? You can round to whole numbers. You can round to the nearest tens place. What do we use down here? Can you have multiple answers? As long as they are reasonable, as long as they get you close to the actual, you may have multiple answers because there are multiple ways of doing it. Sound good?